Bay in Idaho. A little bit of winter camping with the Wrangler, Smitty built tent, and my diesel heater, keeping it nice and warm. Show you what I got going on here. So I just got 12 volts coming off the battery here, coming into my toolbox. Right there you can see the intake here and the exhaust. This is my fresh air in here. And here I got my fuel pump, diesel heater, fuel filter. Running warm air here up to the tent. Exhaust here, and then blowing nice warm air out here, going right up there. Should be a nice night. So we're inside the tent. It's colder than shit outside. It's a little bit windy, but we got our heater going, pumping out nice hot air here. Skylights open. It's pretty nice in here. I'm sitting in here, t-shirt weather in here, and it is super cold out there. If you can see outside, but very nice. Warm.